Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you have some sort of Google SafeSearch locked on your Android phone. So there's like two different areas we can look. Just go to the top right and go to Settings. Go to where it says Network and Internet. And we want to turn off any kind of like DNS settings that we might have. So we can see private DNS right here. So we can just set this to automatic. So sometimes you might be setting like a SafeSearch DNS or something like that, which will pretty much content block you from viewing material. So we can just go to automatic, or we can just turn it off completely on our connection side. And then depending if we're doing it through SafeSearch right here, this section, I think this opens up Google Chrome anyway, so you want to go to Google Chrome, go to the top right, go to Settings, and do the same thing in here. So I think there's going to be Privacy and Settings somewhere in here. So we just want to go to that option. Here it is, Privacy and Security. And then go to DNS. So let's go on down. There should be an option for DNS use. Just make sure this is turned off. We can just turn it off on the top. Use your current provider. So you might have another provider listed in there. Just turn it off right there. And then I believe we can just go to SafeSearch now, and it should allow us to turn it off. So you can see I have blur on, so we can just turn it off right there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe my channel down below.